What's up, tubers? If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com. Put your best email in that box, and this old DOS Geek will show you how it's done. Okay, now let's talk about researching landing pages. Okay. This was an old one that I made up in Aweber. Got oodles of signups with that guy. But I dropped it off because even though I like to write myself, the publishing industry is very, very rough. Basically, a lot of startup writers, they don't have no money to pay for anything. We want people that got money and want to sign up. Okay, this is my ultimate big money maker, Ted McGrath. Okay, and he does these elaborate old school. This guy is so evergreen, it's disgusting. Okay, he does these old school, what they call squeeze pages. Okay, and basically he relies on his affiliates to make a lot of money. But what I like to do when I get an affiliate product that I'm going to promote, I sign up to get on their email list and then see what they send me, see how they do it, and you can even use some of that material with your own email list. Okay, if you're working for them and they don't mind that you use it because you're selling their product, you know what I'm saying? So this is the Ted Woodworking Plan thing, and this is one of the emails that he gave me, that they sent me. It's an automated system. And I suggest you start building your list, and I suggest that you use Aweber. You'll see the link in the description because they're fantastic, and they really help my business grow tremendously. Okay, basically, like this guy, and I actually was doing this before I discovered that he was doing it. Okay, so this is his main page. It's changed a little bit over the years, but not much. These are some long, drawn out pages. It got a lot shorter. Okay, and that's what you do. You have to adapt to the times. You want to be in it for the long haul. Okay, now this is his affiliate area, and they give you all kinds of great stuff. Okay, and well, at least he does. They supported you. Now this is what I did as a squeeze page. Okay, and then I mimicked the same thing that he does. Okay, I send these pages here. Okay, and this has got my affiliate links in it. Okay, shed planned links. Got an Amazon link here. That's one of my affiliate links. I took one of those private label rights video creators. Okay, and I put them up on my sites. Okay, and I send my email subscribers to them. It's a great way to do it. That's how we do it in the old days, and this is how they're still doing it. And it works, and it works. Okay. Shed videos. Who's that guy? Let's see. We can go to this one. Ebooks. Where's this one taking us? And you see up here, it's all subfolders and files on my site, and it takes them there. Okay. So it's pretty cool how to do that. Okay, but you got to build the email list. I mean, you can use these like if you want to advertise on Facebook and everything, different things like that. Okay, Like I'll send somebody an email blast and I'll send them to this page where they can download this material here. Okay. Alright, free stuff. People look for free stuff. That's a big file, looks like. Actually, no, it's only 6 pages. Okay, so, that's how you would do it. But the main thing is and it's a lot of work. Like if they clicked here, I thought this was a great product. And remember, in marketing and internet marketing, brick and mortar marketing, you do media marketing. In other words, I have my American mail order business where I put ads on flyers for businesses and send them to everyone in my zip code. Okay, I thought this was an outstanding product. Nobody seems to want to buy it. Maybe I just put the wrong people in front of it. Okay, so I always do my research for a lot of different things. You're going to want to do your research, and in that research is how you learn. Okay, but what I wanted to show you today are these basic landing pages, lead capture pages. Okay, that. All right, now this is one of Crestani's. I'm sure everybody knows Crestani. Okay, see the timer. This is most likely a gift timer, or just a set thing. Okay, but in these landing pages, these lead caption pages, okay, you got to have your disclaimer if it's your own product. There are certain disclaimers that ClickBank is a must to do. Okay, you have to do it. But you see the bold text and everything, it's all psychologically driven to catch people's attention. The blue colors, the red colors, call to urgency, blue colors, a trust color, okay, and different things like that you need to learn. Now these pop-ups here, we used to use them a lot in the old days because, he's trying to get you here, however way he got you here, through a Facebook or a YouTube ad, and then he comes here and he highlights different things. Okay, see how they highlight different things with the numbers, the different text. Okay, several different calls to action. If you downloaded my ebook about how to format the page, I'll leave a link in the description. Okay, you learn how these things are formatted. Okay. Once video came into the thing, when the internet got faster and the computers had more memory on it and such, and then of course YouTube helps out as well. Good video lead capture page is the way to go. Everybody's doing it today. Okay, drop ship lifestyle. I'm sure you've seen this fellow all over the place. He's been on for a while now. I watched him grow like crazy. These young fellas, they're doing it. They're really doing it pretty good. This is an awesome type of little thing here. Again, with the pop-up, okay, because this is more or less of a squeeze page to his product. This is his whole entire website, obviously, okay, and it's basically a squeeze page, what they call a squeeze page, where they take cold traffic and warm you up and squeeze you in. Okay, it's not a funnel, although it might be compared to a funnel. And you see all these different things. Now, if you go to my link for web starts, you can make all these different things. In one of my videos, my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to mimic these sites, okay, and make the style your own. All right, this guy is a great guy. He's on YouTube. All right, you see these beautiful pages. The graphics mean so much, and this is if you saw my video on branding. Okay, this guy is totally branding himself, and he's doing a great job of it. He's a pro. He's probably been doing it for a couple of decades. Okay, and again, simple text, highlighted, underlined. Okay, software, underlined, highlighted, getting to the point, no BS, no other clicks on it. Okay, you want to go right to where you want them to go. Okay, All right, you see, sign up. That's a 2-step sign up right there. Okay, I showed you that in my other video as well. So, this is how it's evolved into. Okay, this is how everything is evolved into. Now, this is a pretty elaborate thing. And what I found is this is a gorgeous site. It's absolutely beautiful colors. The blue in the background, the comfort colors and all. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Now, for me, I think this is a little bit information overload here on this site. But obviously they're like mega marketers and they know their target market. Otherwise they wouldn't be taking all that time to do all this. This is more or less like what I like to do and what we learned in the old days how to do it. Get right to the point. Okay, get right to the point. Get them right in. Use the arrows to show them what to do. You got to duck walk them. Okay. All right, you see, before you leave, that comes on, and you could do that in Aweber. I got the link in the description. Okay, you could do those types of forms in Aweber. Let me refresh it, see if I can redo that action. You see, when I go to leave, okay, it's a pop-up when you go to leave. Okay, reserve my seat. It's going to take you right back here. That's genius the way they did that. Okay, no BS, no, you want to make it easy for people to sign up. Okay, these things, there's a lot of coding for this. You can pretty much get the coding anywhere. Sometimes this is just an animated GIF. It's a picture. You could send those pictures into emails as well. Let's see if he's got some kind of pop-up here. Let me do this again. Okay, but you want to get it right to the point. That's a pretty wild looking picture. That'll draw you in. This is a call to urgency. When they do this, let's see, this goes, I didn't fill this out, okay? This one here, this actually looks like a template that you see on a lot of the websites that have it. Obviously, because these timers, sometimes you got to go back into the HTML and reset the timer on it. So obviously, this has been neglected a little bit. Let's see where it takes us. I didn't really want to make this video this long. Okay, landing pages. I don't know what this is. Cookie settings. Okay. Now, this is something that I don't recommend, that you force people to do the, you force people into accepting the cookies. Okay. Excuse me. So, for me, I would never even probably do anything with that site because I don't like to be forced into things, okay? Now, guerrilla publishing, guerrilla marketing is actually a real term. Again, this is another site where you could tell that's been neglected. Okay, so it's got an auto thing, so it's every time you come to the page or refresh it, it's going to do this for you. So this is probably current, okay? And it's a bit of a combo thing. It's a little bit of a squeeze page. It's got some great information. If you downloaded my free format, okay, you want to have a magnificent headline, okay, call to action right on the first fold of the page, okay, testimonials, okay, what their product does for you, okay, explain the problem, okay, starving artist, okay, we used to say aggravate the problem, come up with the solution, okay. So that's how you got to do it. So there's an intricate system to doing the lead capture pages and the landing pages that you have to learn. You just have to learn it, okay? Don't listen to these gurus. And things like ClickFunnels and stuff like that, it's tough because you gotta pay for them. Okay, I don't think I started. Yeah, this was the one I started on when I found this. Okay, and then there's these things too that they show you. Now this is kind of poorly. I can't even really read that. At least not from my eyes over here. Maybe it's my computer. Okay, and this is just like a bot that does that. Okay, and you see how the page is with the nice colors. Of Call to urgency color, red. Okay. Visual reading, right to the point. Free videos reveal. Comfort colors, oranges, blues, grays. Okay. They're all comfort colors, trusting colors. Okay. This here is like, it's again, a Veriproof thing. It might be a real thing, but they had that on Shopify and it was total BS. But if it works to sell, it works to sell. You know what I'm saying? So where are we? I lost myself in the sauce. All right. This is Ray from Raywork Computers since 1996. Okay, if you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Now I'm going to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, go to rwcweb.com, put your best email in that box, and I will send you oodles and oodles of stuff. The old DOS Geek said it.